What's going on, YouTube? Coming back at you with another video. So I saw this story floating around. I knew it was some fake news just based on the fact that it was only reported on certain websites. I just want to, before I even get into this, I just want to let you people out there know this is 2020. You can easily hop online and look and find out for yourself if a story is real or not based on if big media companies are covering it. If you think that BOOSIE putting hands on George Zimmerman and getting arrested isn't going to be at the top of every major media outlet's news, you lost your mind. If you only find a story on one or two websites that are kind of like off-brand type websites, you should instantly know the story is not true. In this case, it was being reported that BOOSIE was arrested for putting hands on George Zimmerman at Walmart. People were saying BOOSIE bumped into Zimmerman at a Walmart, put hands on him, was arrested. BOOSIE is now on Instagram addressing the situation in a video. I'm not going to let you see the video, but basically he says he never seen George Zimmerman in his life. Stop putting him in this kind of stuff. Leave him alone. I'm going to read you what he said. He said, "Service announcement. I ain't never even seen him. Noodles dropping Walmart Friday. I'm go popping up at Walmart's to see who's supporting." So BOOSIE making it clear that he has never seen George Zimmerman in his life, but being a smart businessman, BOOSIE is also using this opportunity to promote the fact that his noodles are going to be in Walmart on Friday. So definitely go out, cop some noodles, and support BOOSIE. I knew this was a fake story right away, just based on the fact that no major news media outlets were reporting it. I mean, it's asinine to me that so many people out there are so easily swayed into believing anything. Like, you don't even look, you don't even take the 2 seconds that it takes to Google it and find out. And this shit is sad, but that's 2020. This is the world we're living in. Let me know what you guys think about this situation, though. I definitely appreciate you watching. Hit the like, subscribe, share, leave some feedback. Also, before you leave this video, make sure that you ring the notification bell so you get updates on all the videos I drop when I post them. I got a lot of good stuff coming for you, so make sure you keep your notification bell on. I appreciate you watching, though. Peace.